Today we look at something really big. The sleep improvement you get with the tiny size and soft comfort of the Bose Sleepbuds. In the sleeper's experience, the buds, even powered off, suppress even more outside noise than these industrial strength earplugs that are required use at a nearby oil refinery. You have a choice of various soothing sounds that help to mask much of the remaining ambient noise. The choice of the sounds and the volume control are just a couple of the easy controls on the free Bose Sleep app. You can also choose to let the sounds run all night or limit their duration with a shutoff timer. Lastly, the app makes it easy for you to set up a wake-up alarm that only you can hear in your buds. Your sleep partner will certainly thank you for using it. This time-lapse video speeds the action to a range of 30 to 600 times normal speed. Rest assured the sleepers aren't cold. This is what breathing looks like at a minimum of 30 times normal speed. Very easy to set up the buds for the first time with the Sleep app, even when you're tired. On the bottom right, you see the time-lapse clock started at midnight for easy math. The real bedtime was about 10:30 p.m. On the left screen, you see Mr. and Mrs. Video Editor on the first night without the sleep buds. On the right screen, you see Mr. Video Editor sleeping on the following night with the sleep buds comfortably in the ears. The room was almost totally dark. What you're seeing is brightness-enhanced video for easy viewing. The sleep tests were done in a sleep number bed. Sleep number beds measure how long it takes to fall asleep, how restful the sleep was, how many times the sleeper got out of bed, and for how long. It also measures the sleeper's breath rate and heart rate. Note how much less body movement there is with the sleep buds. Let's take a look at the sleep numbers. On the first night of the sleep test, which was seen on the left side of your screen, the sleep buds were not used in order to get a baseline sleep number. That sleep number was a typical 70-ish number. The next night, and the first ever night using the sleep buds, the sleep quality improves by a couple of points. A couple of weeks later, the sleep number improves to the highest number on record for this sleeper, which is quite an improvement over the nights when the neighbors' barking squirrels were doing their thing and there were no sleep buds to defend against those squirrels. What the numbers are saying for this particular sleeper is that where there are barking squirrels, snoring, and other annoying sounds, the sleep buds can turn a terrible night's sleep into one that's many times better. The buds were bought even though they will not mask out the ODARK 30 call to nature. They were also bought because when we return from the ODARK 30 call to nature, we frequently hear the barking squirrels next door. Those squirrels sound exactly like the deep breathing or snoring from either Mr. or Mrs. Video Editor if, heaven forfend, either one of them were actually capable of loud breathing or snoring. The barking squirrels alone make the sleep buds a bargain at twice the price. Is anybody claiming that all the sound is knocked out? Of course not. Is anybody claiming that these sleep buds can make the difference between sleeping and not sleeping in a wide variety of situations? You bet! Your experiences may be different from mine, so don't buy on my recommendation. Go to your favorite store in alphabetical order like Best Buy, Macy's, Nordstrom, where you'll talk to them about their return policies that will allow you to make a good faith test drive of your own. Speaking of returns, these are not music devices. They are optimized for sleep. So if you want something to listen to your music, you definitely want to check out the other Bose products. Remember my radically different sleep numbers from 2 different nights? This is why you owe it to yourself to try these out for multiple nights and try the different soothing sounds. There's a reason why these sleep buds have been named by Time magazine as one of the 50 best inventions of 2018. Now for the disclaimers. This video was not solicited or paid for by Bose. It was done solely to satisfy the curiosity of the video editor. Statements are opinions based on the experiences of the video editor. Your experience may be different. Now you know there's more to Advantage Video than weddings, documentaries, and camera stabilizers. Thanks for watching.